Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Hello world, I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is the Locker Gnome Daily Report, or TLDR for short, your daily dose of geek news, gadget views, and answers that you can use. Those were a pair of sunglasses that were sent to me along with some lasers. That's right, wicked lasers that I hope to be playing with at some point in the near future. I can't believe someone actually sent me lasers. I'm just enjoying the geekiest snack I've found in a while, something called Mini Pops. It looks like popcorn, but it's not. It's actually sorghum. Lower saturated fat, fewer calories, more protein, perfect for geeks. And nerds too. Did you all see the videos I did on the Samsung Galaxy S4 yesterday? They were uploaded directly to this channel. An unboxing, hands-on, this versus the Samsung Galaxy S3, and one versus the HTC One. So that would be 4 in total. After using it for a day, I can safely say that the S4 is definitely better than the S3, and they are not the same. The cameras on this thing are amazing. I even uploaded a few samples to my Google Plus profile if you haven't circled me there yet. Chris Pirillo likes something? He must be biased. The Locker Gnome Daily Report is brought to you by GoToMeeting with HD Faces, the way I meet with my team online. With GoToMeeting by Citrix, you can share the same screen so you stay on the same page, and HD video makes it like being in the same room. Just turn on your webcam. Launch or join a meeting using your computer, phone, or tablet, even present from your iPad. I use GoToMeeting all the time to connect with people that I happen to be working with on Vloggerfair with. Yep. GoToMeeting is the tool, and you can use it free for 30 days. Head over to GoToMeeting.com, click the Try It Free button, and use the promo code Pirillo. Plus, one of you, if I can open this door, will get... You'll get this! That's a Logitech B525 HD webcam, plus the opportunity to have a 30-minute face-to-face GoToMeeting with me that'll also be shared in this channel. All you have to do to enter is to tell me what you would like to talk about in our HT Faces GoToMeeting. Propose your idea on Twitter using the hashtag PirilloWebcam and the hashtag GoToMeeting to qualify. Unless, of course, you would never want to talk to me about anything. I bet you're wondering when I'm going to unbox this, an LG Optimus G Pro, which I just received today. And yes, it's still in the box, fully sealed from AT&T and Andy Coley. Thank you for sending it along. I'm thinking about unboxing it tomorrow, live on YouTube. What do you guys think? What time should I do it? Saturday? A weekend unboxing live on YouTube? You want that? Well, then you gotta tell me you want it. Leave a comment suggesting a time. Your wacky snap of the day is this, as I posted it to Instagram last night. Insert DVD or press media but. Really? You can see my reflection there in the screen too, by the way. What the hell's a media button? Why would I want to press it? I also found this, a zombie head cookie jar. Grains! I want your grain! Because the cookie's got grain in it, you know, unless you're like gluten intolerant. I apologize to you if you happen to be a zombie. I am not a zombieist. Am I having too much fun with this so far? Fine, let's get down to functionality. How about savings on tutorials to help you build your own iOS apps from scratch without programming? We can save you, whoa, 84%? Huh, that's insane! At deals.lockergnome.com. Unless, of course, you want to build your own iOS apps and program them, because, you know, there are programmers who watch this video. I just know that there are more non-programmers watching than programmers. And speaking of iOS apps, you don't have to program, but you can build for yourself. Head over to mobileroadie.com. That is the platform I use to build the free Locker Gnome app available for both iOS and Android. Our top user today is Bogdan Sonnenworth. Well, thank you for using the app, and hopefully we'll be integrating polls into the application, so at some point we'll be able to do more interactivity between you and me beyond commenting and liking and sharing the videos that we do. Warner Brothers pins rights for Dungeons & Dragons movie. We're doing this again? I may very well be the only one here who remembers the Dungeons & Dragons cartoon from the 80s. That and Denver the Last Dinosaur. Oh, and then there was a Rubik's Cube cartoon. I remember that. Oh, and then I think there was another one with Zelda? Wasn't there one with Zelda? Saturday morning? I also remember being told by both my parents that I could not participate in D&D because it would lead to Satan worship. No, Satan worship. I just found something for my kitchen. A bacon hand towel. It's not made of real bacon, but it looks like it. And don't sit there and tell me you don't like bacon, because you like bacon, you're just afraid to admit it. Okay, Chris, I want one. Where do I get it? Check the link in the video's description. It's been announced. Nokia Lumia 928. And I'm going to get a hold of one, too. 4.5-inch OLED display, optical image stabilization camera, available May 16th. Could I get it beforehand? We shall see. Gee whiz, Chris, that's all you do is talk about Windows phones. Sorry, I was just trolling myself to save you the trouble. No, seriously, there are two types of people who seek out reviews online. The people who are really interested in what you have to say, and the people who are more interested in you validating what they have to say. Free Facebook Wi-Fi coming to places near you? That's ingenious. So you know how you go to a coffee shop and you look for free Wi-Fi? Well, the idea is Facebook will help power that, but in order to get online, to the free Wi-Fi connection, you have to like or comment or check in on that Facebook page belonging to the business that's allowing you to connect and using their internet connection. Huh! Microsoft says not to expect Windows 8 version of iTunes anytime soon. That's okay. I don't even like iTunes on OS X. In fact, iTunes is well past its prime. I manage all my music in the cloud, even movies. I don't track anything using a desktop because I'm using mobile devices anymore. What do y'all think? Should I get one of these for Diana? I shared that on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Tumblr earlier today, as well as this Star Wars coffee. May the froth be with you. It's a t-shirt you can wear. And I hope you've been following me on all those networks because yesterday I extended an invitation to app.net to all of you. Did you get it? On Facebook, I also shared my thoughts on YouTube offering premium or paid channels. My answer? I don't care. Really, I don't care. It's not my money to spend. Who am I to say what you should or should not spend your money on? And I quoting myself, if you're not going to buy them, then I don't know why you'd whine about it. They're obviously not for you. If enough people don't buy them, then maybe YouTube will stop doing it. But maybe, just maybe, some people want this. Who am I to tell someone what they do or do not want? Come on, that's like me saying that you shouldn't eat dinner because I'm not hungry. Better yet, quote unquote, complaining about something you haven't used or you're not going to buy simply because it isn't free makes you look really stupid. If it's not for you, fine. I don't think it's going to impact the quality of free videos you watch on YouTube today either way. And if you're not paying for something that you like, you should appreciate it all the more and support the business model it needs to survive. I pay for content all the time, and the last thing I want to see is people bragging about stealing. I don't know. Even if you make something perfect, people are still going to find a way to complain about it. Why? Case in point, Vlogger Fair. Something that we're going to try to do, and hopefully you're going to be able to make it. Here's the kicker. We've got a VIP pass at $99, and with that, over $800 worth of bonuses. But as this graphic shows, tickets start at $29. Extremely reasonable, considering who's going to be there, including Ty and Gray. I met Ty and Gray for the first time at CES a few years back. That's the last time I met them. Our question of the day is brought to you by GoDaddy.com. If you want to save money on your next purchase, including hosting or SSL certificates, just email me first, chris@Pirillo.com. I'll send you my latest list of coupons. Nomi Florian asks, what Windows cleanup tools are good? I'm going to give you a suggestion that's available for both Windows and OS X. CCleaner. And if you have heard of CCleaner before, understand not everybody has. So if you've got a different tool to recommend to help people clean up their Windows installation, by all means, share your thoughts. I leave you with this image, tweeted recently by Jerry Ryan. You know, the one who played 7 of 9? You don't know Jerry Ryan? She's very active on Twitter. And she just retweeted. Party on, Wayne. Party on, Darth. Well, either way, I hope you had fun enough to like and share this video with everybody that you know, including people you don't know. That's always nice to be able to connect with them as well. We can only do this because you are doing what you do, and you know that I love you as much as you might love me. We'll see you later.